Transform your physique, the power of daily push-ups. Hey, fitness enthusiasts. I'm here, and today, we're diving into a transformative topic: transform your physique, the power of daily push-ups. Before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and let's embark on this journey together. Imagine a workout that requires no fancy equipment, minimal time, yet delivers maximum results. That's the magic of daily push-ups. Today, I'm excited to share how incorporating this simple exercise into your routine can redefine your physique. Let's kick things off with why push-ups are the real deal. They engage multiple muscle groups: your chest, arms, shoulders, and even your core. It's like a full-body symphony of strength that can make a significant impact on your physique. Now, I know what you might be thinking, but push-ups are tough. Trust me, I've been there. That's why we're going to break it down, starting with the basics and gradually building up. It's about progress, not perfection. Before we dive into the nitty-gritty of push-ups, if you're excited about transforming your physique, hit that like button and share this video with a workout buddy. Let's spread the power of push-ups. Tip number 1: consistency is key. Making push-ups a daily habit is where the magic happens. It's not about doing 100 on day 1. It's about doing them consistently and gradually increasing the intensity. I used to struggle with push-ups, but by incorporating them into my daily routine, I witnessed incredible changes in my upper body strength and overall physique. It's a journey worth taking. Tip number 2: variety is the spice of fitness. Don't stick to just one type of push-up. Experiment with different variations like diamond push-ups, wide grip push-ups, or incline push-ups. This not only targets different muscles, but keeps things interesting. Before we get into the next set of tips, comment below with your favorite push-up variation or any questions you might have. Your engagement keeps this community thriving. Tip number 3: listen to your body. Progress at your pace, and if you need to modify, that's perfectly okay. The goal is to challenge yourself while respecting your body's limits. There you have it, the power of daily push-ups in transforming your physique. Stay tuned for more tips and variations in the upcoming videos. Remember, every push-up is a step towards the new you. Let's crush it.